Hey guys, wanted to give an update on Harmony vertical axis wind turbine. It's been a while since I've done an update. A lot of my work over the past 2 months has been getting this milling machine all fixed up and working beautifully, so I can actually now cut parts, precision parts, on my milling machine with Linux CNC tied into my 2-axis milling machine. I have X and Y on here, and I have everything set up that I can run the machine off of this gamepad here. Basically, I can move it around, get it centered up on the parts, get the parts ready, and then just boom, 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 mill the parts out one at a time in succession. I don't have Z-axis, so I have to do Z by hand, but a lot of people have been on the forums saying, how have you been doing? Have you gotten any further? I've been building the machines to let me build the turbines. So there's a whole bunch of stuff going into just getting this thing tweaked and tuned and working properly. And my 3-phase power is over there running in the corner. You hear how nice and quiet that is? You can barely hear it. That was a huge undertaking, getting that all working well. So the mist cooler here, I had to get that all working, so everything's working now, everything is dialed in, and I wanted to show you, because I'm excited. There's a lot going on here that is behind the scenes, but it's great because once it's all together, now you can make parts. Alright, so I'm going to show you how we would actually go ahead and machine parts of the turbine. So you can come over here, honey, and get a picture quick. This is the mist cooler. Basically it shoots out a very, very fine mist of coolant onto the spindle to keep it cool. As soon as it starts coming out there it is. See how it's squirting out? And now I can basically okay. Here we go. I didn't go down deep enough on that one, so that's fine. I gave myself 6 revolutions to get down through. See how it's still in the perfect hole? I guess I should have allowed for maybe 8 passes. Now we have to go all 6 again. Because I'm not a robot, I'm not going down to the depth that I need to go every single revolution. You know, a machine knows exactly how far down to go every time so that it reaches the bottom by the 6th revolution. I don't. I'm going by feel, and I came up a little bit short on that one, unfortunately. That's it. And then you could put another part in here right now, mount it up, and it would be identical to where that one finished cutting just now. So basically, I would take this part out and I'd be able to put a new one in, and without any extra setup, go and cut this part, the next part, and it will be exactly like that one. And you just repeat it over and over and over again. But like I said, I screwed up the middle because I was pushing down too hard trying to, as I realized I was getting to the 6th revolution, I knew I wasn't down far enough. Here, we'll cut another one so you can see what I mean. How it is identical. Or is that stupid? Should I not cut another one?
It's your birthday. You can do whatever you want.
It's my birthday. I can do what I want. It's my birthday today, guys. Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. Should I cut another one, guys?
Sure.
You want to be on YouTube?
Hello?
So the cool thing is I've done nothing other than put a new part in. To wait for the coolant to start coming through. There it is. That bit that I have in here is probably not the best bit. I just bought new bits, but I should have put one in. I'm not going to do it now though. Two. There's 3. 4. There's 5. And 6. Still not as clean as a normal CNC machine would have done it, but it's just me and I'm not perfect. See how fast that was?
You took notes? It's gonna be impressive.
Basically, you would just keep going like that, part after part after part. Okay. Questions?
No? Okay. Any last thoughts and comments?
Well, only that I've come up with a new way of doing these now. That's why I'm cutting these out and don't care because they're test parts only. That's because my milling bit's probably not good. I have the brand new sharp milling bits, but pretty cool.
Yep.
All right, guys, take care.